Here, this hedgehog has teeth straight out of a vampire movie. And no, this is not fiction. In Southeast Asia, scientists discovered a new species called Hyomys macaron, nicknamed the vampire hedgehog. Unlike normal hedgehogs, it has long, sharp, canine-like teeth, perfect for tearing into insects, worms, and hard-shelled prey. Its teeth resemble ancient mammal predators, showing evolution doesn't always move forward. Sometimes it brings old designs back. If a vampire hedgehog stayed hidden this long, what else is still out there?